So what we're going to do now is add some page number to the page, and let's go through this process. Now, this is very important. You might want to label your page, and it's very easy to do. So first we want to go down, double click on your A master, which is your page. Double click on your A master. Whatever you do to this master affects all of your pages. We have 20 pages here. So what I'm going to do is click on my T tool, and I'm going to make a shape text box. I'm going to put the letter A in there. I'm going to highlight this. This is a trick. You have to highlight the A. Then I'm going to go over to type. I'm going to insert special characters, markers, and current page number. So now, as you notice, the A is appearing now. So what we're going to do is click on the move tool. I'm going to duplicate this because we want to have two. So I'm going to Command C, or you can go to Edit, Copy, Paste, and let's move it all the way over to the next side. Okay. So now looking at this, if I go down to my pages, let's go back to page. Now notice that it says page 1. Okay. Let's go over here. Page 2, 3, and so forth. It's labeled all the way down. So that works. Now let's say we want to, let's go to page 1, and we want to have no number on this page. An easy way to do that is to click on the page, go to File, right here, go to your little corner box, and we want to add a master page. Now, as default, you have none right here, so there's nothing right on that page. So I'm going to change that master page to none and hit OK. And right off the bat, the number disappears. Okay, so that's good to know. Let's go ahead. What if you want to add a specific look on page 6, 7 through 8? Okay, so what we can do here is go to File, and we're going to apply a new master page. Right here, sorry about that. Let's go to File, and we're going to create a new master page. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to call it, I'm going to call it grass because I'm going to use some grass. Green. Okay. And I'm going to click OK. So right off the back, here's my master page. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to customize this page a little bit. So I'm going to take a picture box frame. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go right in here, and I'm going to place some grass from an artifact. Notice it comes in. Now I'm going to move this. To click on it, you double click on it, double click on the item, and let's scale it all the way down. I want to run across the page. Some of you might say, Mr. Paris, it looks pixelated, but no, that's fine. It just previews in that mode so you can get the computer can run a little faster. But if you want to view, you can view display at high quality display, and look what happens. See how clear that is? But for working, you want to work a little faster, so let's put on fast display. View, display, typical display. Good. So I want to add a shape on the top. This will give it a little more composition. And I'm going to change that color to a nice green. Okay. So let's say you want to add a color here. I'm going to go into the top, and then let's add a new swatch, CMYK, and let's go down to Pantone coded colors. So it's going to load all my colors here. A lot of different colors. So if you don't see a color you like, that's where you can get your color. So I'm going to find me a nice green. Let's go down here. Let's go with that. Add. And there it is. Add it to the top. Done. And it's now inside my Pantone Swatch library. So now we have that. So here's my master page. Now, we have double click, we have the regular A master, and we have our master. Now I want to add this to page 6 and page all the way to page 6. So we're going to click here, and I'm going to add apply master page to 6 through 9 because it's selected, and I'm going to select the master page, which is B grass green, and hit OK. And if you look closely, I just changed the master page of page 6 through 9, and let's go to page 10. See? So everything is at normal. So we just learned a couple things. We learned how to edit the master page, add numbers to the page, make a page without any numbers, and also add a new master page to create specific page to have a different look. All right, that concludes editing the master page.